Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you another 10 tokens ranked by potential gains by end of this cycle from current prices. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Once again, I repeat again and again and again. This list, it's not the best tokens or the worst tokens. It's just the tokens I move by list of capitalization. So it's pretty simple because the people ask it all the time in the comment section, where that ticker, where that ticker. Guys, I just move on by list. So pretty simple. And people just skip the first, even the 20 seconds of the videos with explanation what this list. So now I'm stopped at 82 rank in Immutable X. After that, we move on to the next targets. For the next tokens. All right. First one is Injective. Injective is what is good and what is bad. What is bad? Injective already pumped it. Pretty good one. So from the low, it's still at this current price. It's Injective is not at all-time lows. So here, time to buy. Injective was here. Once again, guys, I repeat. Now it's zone 25. Many, just hundreds of videos I showed you with the details plan. I got even the playlist with over than 500 tokens. With a bull run plan for each token, what I shared in zone 22, zone 23, zone 24. So now it's just an update. For if you're new on this channel, no makes sense to scream about why you post these targets now, because it's just an update. You can go find the ticker in a Telegram channel, all information totally for free, and find the main zones. Why where we now, right? So time to buy Injective was here. 27 block. Zones absolutely relevant. Accumulation block. What I shared with you in zone 23. This one. We pump it from the low. Injective. Let's count here. June zone 22. 4,400% gains. Sometimes, guys, yes, we just choose. You and me maybe choose just the wrong tokens. Many altcoins already perform it. Because the people wait some crazy altcoin season from now. No, guys, this token already performed 4,000% gains, and if the target's relevant, I think the Injective will hit the new all-time high, and it can be like $56.86. It's 2.61 low by FIB, around 5,000% gains. So 50x. Next one, guys, it can be here. If you believe in crazy all-time high for Injective is 6,400% gains. If we hit by some miracle, $76. But it's from the bottom, from current prices, guys. Here, where we now test the buy line, guys. I highly recommend you once again use my indicator set. A link will be under the description below. So this is one of indicators take profit. There's the 6 indicators what I shared in each video. So here, this is a buy line. So when we trade under the last line, it's a fundamental value. We get a price and the value. So this is a line. It's a fundamental value of the token. So from now, take profit line. This is the second one, the blue one. You can adjust the color up to your TradingView 10. So 89%, after that 112, and I'm more than sure we go to that targets. After that 37, 56. So from current price, if we hit the new all-time high for Injective 56.86, it's only 267%. Even if we hit the $76 dollar, so it will be over than 6,000% gains for the people who accumulate in the right moment, in the right time. Everything should be in time. We can't, I already explained it also, we can't think about, I want to invest now in BTC and wait 500%. For now, it's impossible. On a distance, on the next 10 years, yes, I'm more than sure BTC will be higher than, for example, 250K. But not from now. Time to buy BTC was at 22, 16, 20K. So everything should be in time. So Injective on the 5x. Yes, you can love it, you can hate it, guys. It's just my personal opinion about this token. Celestia, take a look. This is an example of underrated token with a great potential. Time to buy. Celestia, I share with you here in June. So technically, guys, we saw underrated. Is it possible so Celestia will move like this one? Yes. Why not? Celestia not so special. It's absolutely like any other token, can be delisted. Yes, you hear me right. Any token can be delisted. So the movement token listed, some fundamental project listed. After some review, the Coinbase decided to delist it. XRP even been delisted at one time from Coinbase, for example. Polka started delisted from the Binance just because they can. That's why time to sell Celestia was here. Highly recommend to go and check the video about the Celestia, why I recommended to sell it this low. If this is just a deviation, so I explained it on the range here. Highly recommend you, if you're interested in, highly recommend you in educational purpose, go to Telegram channel, find the ticker, all videos with the ticker Celestia, right here, and check all videos. You will see all explanation why we're here. So this is what the range. And I think it's just what an idea. So if it's a deviation at the bottom, we can form deviation at the top. And yes, around here, for example, at least the $12, it's a conservative price target for Celestia because it's equilibrium of this range and the sweep of high made somewhere before. Now we underrated on the weekly time frame on the fundamental value. It's $3.49, take profit 9.22, equilibrium 11. No, equilibrium is 11.48. But keep in mind, guys, any token can be delisted. Any token can dump lower. The Starknet, the EVO, all of them dump it on the listing price. But it's like fundamental projects, everything good, some metrics, some partnership, and all of this stuff, guys. But we dump it just because we can. It's pretty simple, guys. Any token is just a pure speculative asset. But if we talk about risk ratio, now Celestia, 100% over than 5x. So it's conservative price targets, conservative potential gains. If we talk about a deviation at the top, if it's even the 10x. So Celestia is here. Definitely on the second rank. Next one is Optimism. Optimism, by the way, the Celestia by capitalization now is 1.42, 4 billion. Yes, I think it's more than real to see the over the 4 billion market capitalization once again on Celestia. Not easily, but yes, why not? Optimism now it's 77 cents, also underrated token, but with limitations. 1.74 billion tokens in circular supply, so 1.75 billion, it's $1 price on Optimism. So around let's say 350 billion, it's $2 and move higher. 40% tokens unlocked. This is a chart also. I marked the low. If we will see the same story like with the Celestia, it's going to be just a mind-blowing if we will drop 40 cents. Yes, this will be deviation and deviation at the top. Anyway, this is the equilibrium, so don't need to build the crazy complicated charts. So approximately from now to equilibrium, it's less than 300%. To the new all-time high, it's over than 500%. From now, if we drop to the and sweep the low, like in September, for example, so another month, some FUD around, something bad we'll see on the news, right? It can be the bigger gains, like 1,400. That's why let's add the conservative one from current prices here. Highly recommend you guys, if you're interested in, go and check the main video about Optimism. Lido, LDO. 1.35 billion market capitalization. It's not that big for these projects because it's the most popular staking solution, for Ethereum, and the TVL is kind of huge on Lido. So now here, not 89% tokens unlocked. The gains I showed you here, if it's absolutely the same range, it was a listing in September 21 on a Gate.io. Here, sweep of a low. Next target is $5.07, 583, and the new all-time high. So conservative price target from now, approximately 239, 287, 428. So let's imagine that Lido hit the $10 over the 8 billion market capitalization. Around 9 billion, possible, basically, yes. So definitely Lido also in the this rank. Next one is SPX. By the way, let's check on the weekly time frame where the buy line and take profit. First of all, for Optimism. Here, why Optimism is underrated here. Buy line for Optimism $1.22. We trade under fundamental value. It's good. Usually it's good. Take a look how the price respect the level. So this was a test. Take profit for Optimism 243 exit line. It's a sweep of that low around $2.78. So pretty simple. Lido a little bit over than buy line. We bounce it from the fundamental value. Take a look. Nothing is random. Test the fundamental value, form something like double bottom, test the fundamental value, bounce. So the size of double bottom, reach it. Next target is 224, a sweep of the high December 25 for $2.52 and to the next liquidity pools. Next one is from meme coin sector, SPX. I saw just millions posts about a super cycle, about SPX to the moon, about 50 billion market capitalization and all of this random stuff in Murad style. I totally don't understand this type of content, but we got what we got. We always got a moon boys. Can we say this token is underrated? Basically not, because this token traded before this listed on centralized exchanges. And take a look, the price was like under 1 cent, even 0.2059. So from all-time low, this token already performed like 61, around 62,000% gains. The centralized exchanges on a max, it's 42 cents. Let's double check that. Can we see the lowest? Can we see the lowest point? Basically, no. USD. I guess there is no lowest point, right? All right. Anyway, let's count the potential gains. So let's imagine the SPX 930 million supply. So we can hit like, let's say $5. With the $5, it will be 4.65 billion market capitalization. Possible, because the dog we've had reached that targets and Papa reached 9 billion. So $5 price. Imagine the just madness numbers from 0.205 to $5. Just a madness, just a craziness. It could be over then, I guess, the ship, right, by gains or what. All right. Anyway, let's say conservative price target $5. It's still under 5x. From now, we talk about from now, guys. $10. I don't think so. We're gonna hit the 9 billion market capitalization. Let's say $8. It will be still under 5x. $8. 7.4 billion market capitalization. That's why, guys, no makes sense, to analyze the tokens now and the build like, I wish to see the 10x for this token. Guys, let's be real. Not all tokens will reach the crazy billions capitalization. In the previous cycle, we got like Dogecoin and the SHIB. Just the two tokens which reached 70 billion and the 40 billion market capitalization. And everybody now compare just all random other tokens with that memes. Even the Papa with the crazy hype reached 9 billion market capitalization. So if we hit the 9 billion capitalization, yes, from now it can be maybe a little bit over than 5x. A little bit over. But not like 10x or so. Imagine this token already made like 62,000% gains. But of course, guys, it's just my personal opinion. Let's double check on a weekly time frame. There is no data about the take profit. So here, correction for SPX can be to 99 cents to the buy line. If we drop to the buy line, if we will drop to the buy line, let's imagine here, Yes, in this case, here, it will be enough to pump the token to $6.10 to see over than 5x. So just in case, guys. But it will be still not a 10x. 10x, we need to see the even from 99 cents to $10.92. I don't think so. We're gonna hit the 10 billion market capitalization. But guys, everything possible, absolutely everything possible. Even some most crazy idea can be real on a distance. Next one is NEXO. Never analyzed the NEXO, but this token tradable on the Binance. Tradable on Binance. Why I never analyzed this token, I don't know. I guess it's some old token. Yes, old tokens in circular supply, 1 billion tokens. So easy to count, like 5 billion market capitalization, 5 billion. Highest point of the all-time high by market cap was 2.2 billion market cap. When? In 2021. So, end of cycle in 2021, in May 2021, 2.2 billion market capitalization. Where are we now? So this is a chart. So this is like a, yes, Dino token since May 2018. Highly recommended, by the way, use the crypto NEXO USD symbol crypto. You will find the oldest chart on the trading view. So imagine we hit the new all-time high. So $4 new all-time high. It will be the 4 billion market cap. Capitalization will be twice bigger because the more tokens now in circulation supply. You know, so here at this all-time high in May at $4.04, the capitalization 2.26. Now at sweep of that all-time high, it will be the 4 billion market capitalization. So imagine 2 billion more. It's crazy numbers. Is it possible? Technically, yes. Weekly time frame. Let's use the custom feed, what I use for the charts here. The top support, extended lines right here. We touch it the 26 block. 27 block here. Usually it's a good time to buy till penny. This is how the algorithm works. I highly recommend you go and check the tutorial, free tutorial, how to work with it with this custom feed. Buy line now on the weekly time frame for the NEXO is 82 cents. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. I don't think so. We're gonna drop once again to the 27 block like accumulation in the next bear market. Yes, I'm more than sure we will close because it's also here the monthly gap. So in the next bear market, I think we will drop that low. So now we can see the correction to 58, $1.05.8. This one in September, for example. Definitely we will go and sweep these highs. This is the equal highs. Equal high. So conservative price targets, guys, it's a close of fulfill monthly gap $2.08, $2.52. So correction to 0.5 level by FIB, it will be the previous all-time high by market capitalization. All right, so let's count from the bottom. Potential, where that low? Low is 52, 51. All right. So here is a 353%. And if you believe, for example, in 6 billion market capitalization from the low, it can be like 1000% gains around. From now, even if we hit the 6 billion market capitalization, guys, it will be still under the 5x. So here, take a look with the NEXO weekly time frame here. Take profit $1.59. Exit line $1.76. Highly recommend you use this set to double check for all tokens. Weekly time frame I use for investment zones. Aerodrome. The interesting moment, the Aerodrome AERO first listed on the Coinbase. So that's charts I analyzed before. So we got this one weekly gap We test that block. Take a look how the price almost reached it till penny the 0.5 level by Fib. Just crazy. If you know, this is like a kind of double bottom. Let's scroll it to the weekly, to the line chart. Yes, maybe it's just double bottom. The size of that double bottom will be over than, I guess, $4. What by capitalization now 1.29 billion market cap, 886 million. Highly recommend you use this free calculator. Also link on the description below in Telegram channel. You can find it. So here $5, 4.4 billion market cap, 4.4 billion market capitalization. It will be the 3 times bigger than all-time high by market cap. $4 is here. It's all-time high, around all-time high, but no, it's a NEXO. Where that one? $4 here. $4. Yes, it's over than all-time high, and from this current prices is approximately like 178%. Not a big deal, right? If we talk about 487, 200% gains, 642, 300% gains, 737, 400% gains, 47, 6.6 billion market capitalization for AERO. Imagine the 4 or 5 times bigger all-time high market cap at $7. From the low, it will be over than 7,000% gains. That's an example, guys. Everything should be in time. Yes, on Coinbase in February 24, this token cost 8 cents. Now it's $1.47. That's the point, guys. Everything should be in time. So I'm more than sure that AERO will hit the new all-time high. It's just a question: $3.33 or $4.87. Around even the $5, it's possible target for AERO. I guess 4.4 billion market capitalization. I think more than real, but guys, anyway, still under 5x. Even if we hit the $7.37, it will be still under 5x from the current prices. Curve Dow, CRV 90 cents now. Only 45% tokens unlocked. So 1.39 billion. Market cap 1.28. FDV 2.12 billion. The all-time high of market capitalization was like 2.63. The targets are basically relevant. Take a look at that crazy seller pressure on the Binance. Let's check. By the way, the ticker down, even worse. Binance. So the first trouble area, guys, it's a monthly gap, $1.98. It's a full fill. And maybe we're gonna hit the all-time high. So 680. Let's count like 1.39 billion. 1.39. 1, 2, 3. 680. 9.4 billion market capitalization for Dow to hit to sweep this high of January 2022. Imagine what should happen and why we should skyrocket to the $6.79, $7 to hit almost 10 billion market capitalization. Based on what? So here, it was a previous cycle. Take a look, the November 2020, 1,900% gains. Got it. And that's example. So take a look, this token in previous cycle reached only less than 2,000% gains. What are people waiting now? So from that low, That low was in November 2020, 33 cents. Here's in August 2024 was like 18 cents. Here, 1,000, it's $2 in gains. The previous gains of previous cycle, for example, it's a sweep of this high of February 2022. This one around. It will be the absolutely actual gains around, even more, 2,000% gains. At 390, 380, for example, 5.2. More than real. Realistic targets. From now, it's less than 5x. That's why, guys, unfortunately, if we zoom out and compare even the previous cycle, so the people just ignore the percentage gains what a previous cycle token showed. For example, you can just use all this chart and find the starting point like a COVID dump. March 2020. From that point, take a look what gains and how the tokens performed. Previous cycle in 2021, if you've been on the market, you remember the craziness, the total euphoria, the memes skyrocket to the moon, the Shiba Inu, everybody talk about a Shiba Inu, every influencer talk about a BTC 200K and all of this stuff, guys. It was real total euphoria. And take a look by gains. So why this cycle the token should perform better? This cycle, more tokens on the market, not enough liquidity to pump all of that tokens, even like a previous cycle. From current prices, it's like 300%. Everything should be in time. So time to buy was here. Last year. Next one, guys, is stacks. STX. All tokens almost in circular supply, also easy to count. So $1, 1.79 billion market capitalization. Highest point of the all-time high by market cap was like 5.69, now 1.26. FDV and market capitalization actual. So take a look at the charts. Let's extend the FIB, right? This is absolutely the same FIB what I shared before. This is example. Basically, this token already performed. 27 block showed you like a zone of accumulation. This was a monthly gap where we come back and close. And this is a zone of accumulation here. All-time high, December 21, drop it to 27 block even lower. Pump, retest, go higher. This is what I mean. Here, March 2020, 7,400% gains. Nice one. This cycle, 1,700% gains. So, is it looks like a three drives pattern? 1, 2, 3. Maybe yes, but I don't think so. I think we can hit the new all-time high. So another high around like 465. If the liquidity will inflow into alts, we can hit another one. 1, 2, 3. 3 highs. That time everybody will start draw the double bottom to $7, but I think 465 it's can be the top of the top for this token. From current price targets, it's over than 5x. Yes. First trouble area, it's a monthly gap. If everything will be okay with its stocks, yes. The FIB relevant, you can see how the price react at the level 78.86. First trouble area, monthly gap. If we drop once again down, this is a zone of accumulation. Zones relevant since 2022. 56, 36. In this range, you can accumulate this token if you believe in it. So yes, stocks in this list. Immutable X, guys, 60 cents now. Also 1.92 billion supply, 95% unlock it, everything good. So if the gamified sector finally will pump and finally will perform, I think the Immutable X will lead the market, will lead the sector of this this category. So Web3 games on Ethereum. Sounds promising, right? But For some reason, GameFi sector, this run is so underrated. Same zones, guys, same targets. So the same levels, the same feed, absolutely everything relevant. Let's double check, by the way, the stacks with the indicators here. We underrated. That's why this can be the good time to invest in STX. Take profit for STX is $2.05. By the way, for Aerodrome, there is no data. And the curve Dow weekly time frame here. I just showed you here. We retest the exit line about. So just in case, guys, take a look. Take profit buy line test about the test of exit line. So the reward is open to the this sweep 379, but it's limited by gains 300. So Immutable X's potential gains is here. It's my humble opinion. We can hit the new all-time high, and this target's relevant. Even here, I share with you how the price respect the level. 27 block, 0.38 till penny test. Come back to 0 level and come back to 27 block. 45, 13. Around here, I posted the video, people screaming, we will never see the 45 cents again. So we'll end it in March 25. Consolidation, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Consolidation, the reward is open. At least $2.89. And my take is this target is still relevant. Highly recommend you go and check the main video about Immutable X. 690. 690, 1.92 billion, 1.92. 92, 690, 690. 13 billion market capitalization. Sounds unreal, right? Highest point of the market cap was like 5.23. If, and I hope we will see some hype, mass adoption with the GameFi sector. 13 billion market cap for Immutable X, possible, but it's still conservative gains. Not like 50x or so. From current prices, guys, it's 1000% gains. So yes, let's add the Immutable X to this rank. At least one token can be kind of over than 10x. Guys, I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts about this ranking. What is your favorite token from this list? If you'd like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.